Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm making a quick video on how to change out a Lowrance Ghost prop. Pretty easy thing to do. Mine's got a chip on the end of the blade, so I'm going to take the time to change it out from this new one, bought from Bass Pro for $50. So pretty easy upgrade. It will eliminate a little extra vibration that this is making. So I'm going to show you the steps of how to do it. Okay, so upon opening, you'll have the prop itself. And it comes with a new lock nut and washer, little bar and a big washer, and this little pack of anti-seize. So that comes along with it, brand new out of the box. All right, guys, so you're gonna need a 17mm socket to get the nut off on the inside of the prop. Just gonna put that on there, hold your prop, start cranking. All right, nuts off, washer's in there too. Just pull that out. Would you look at that? He's got line in it. That's good to know. Always something to keep in mind if you ever get line in your trolling motor. Grab a pair of pliers real quick and rip all this out of there.
For this demonstration, I went ahead and changed the bar and washer out on my trolling motor, just using a small ball peen hammer and a couple light taps sent it right through, so I was able to get it out.
So actually, while I got this all off and ready to go, I'm actually going to add the anti-seize. So if I ever got to take this off again, if I get line in the trolling motor, I'll be able to get this off a little easier. Alright guys, so I did end up changing out my washer in my little pin. So I'm going to go ahead and slide the new washer on. Put the new pin in there. Small ball peen hammer, and tap her in. Get it even. Try this out. Would you look at that? Fits like a glove. Nice and flush and even. You spin it, you see no wobble, you're good to go. And take your washer, put your washer on there, take your nut, put your nut on there started. Handy dandy socket, get it on there, hold the prop, start cranking. Right here to the end. It's just plastic, so I don't want to overdo it, but I definitely want a good snug. When you're all done, you can check it. Just look right here on where the prop meets the motor itself. And I see no wobble, looks true, looks straight. Guys, there you have it. A brand new prop for the Lowrance Ghost. I hope this video helps somebody out how to change it out. These are plastic, so they do chip. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching.